And then just to give you an idea of the things that I believe might be also very helpful when we come back, I try to do it every time I come back from a travel. So just a few ideas. So for example, create a to-go list of places within your country or your hometown, and be a tourist in your home city. Sign up for a walking city tour, even though you might think you know this city very well. Just do these things to really get this fresh perspective of the beautiful place you call home. And stick to your morning routine. Try to get this exposure, sun exposure, gentle movement in the sun. Try not to use your devices for the first hour. I know it's like everybody talks about it, but who really does it? Not that many people. More and more though, which is fantastic. Engage in interactions with strangers at least once a day. Give compliments or simply exchange smiles. Volunteer once a quarter. Be of service. We all know how much joy it brings to us to be of service. It's a big part of Japanese psychology. It's called omotenashi, the spirit of selfless hospitality. So we really incorporate that to our programs as well. And we also encourage our clients, or I personally do as solo traveler, try to do something new, sign up for new courses when I'm back, just to really keep this aliveness from a solo travel alive, going from my life. And then